Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Experian affiliate offers for credit insights, full guide step by step clearly. To activate Experian affiliate offers for credit insights, begin by visiting the Experian website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in the required personal information, including your name, email address, and password. Verify your email address by checking your inbox for a confirmation email. After verification, log into your newly created account. Navigate to the Affiliate Offers section on the dashboard. Review the available affiliate offers related to credit insights. Choose the offers that best suit your target audience and click on the Activation button. Provide any additional information required for each selected offer. Read and accept the terms and conditions associated with the offers. Once activated, you'll receive unique affiliate links for each offer. Take note of these links, as they are crucial for tracking referrals. Promote the affiliate offers through your website or social media channels. Monitor the performance of your offers within the dashboard. Adjust your promotional strategies based on the performance data you gather. Stay updated with any new offers or changes in terms on the Experian affiliate site. By following these steps, you'll successfully activate Experian affiliate offers for credit insights. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.